Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to change the menu font size in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the Online Store button. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.ss. You'll see a file named base.ss. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link is in the description and you'll find the code we'll use there. Simply click on the code and then click the copy button. Once copied, return to Shopify and paste the code into the blank line we left. After pasting, to adjust menu size, go to the first line where it says 15 ps. That's 15 pixels. You can change this number to any size you prefer. For larger menu text, use a higher value. For smaller, use a lower value. It's up to you. Choose any value and test it out. I'll keep the default of 15. After setting the size, click Save in the top right. Just click it. After clicking, changes are saved. In my store, it's already here before setup. Let's refresh. After clicking, the menu size has increased. It's not much bigger, but you can set a higher value to increase it more, or lower to shrink the menu. Now you've successfully changed the menu size. I hope this video helped. Bye.